Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unhide posts from Facebook timeline. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. So just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's open up the Facebook app. Let's go to menu. Now tap on that setting gear. Scroll a little down and here below your activity you can see the activity log. Now click on your activity across Facebook. Sorry. And here you have the options for the post. Click on manage posts. And guys, here you have to click on filters. And now tap on categories. And now here you can see post hidden from the profile. It's the fourth option. Let's click on it. Now you guys, you can see all of your posts that you hide it from your timeline. Now what you have to do is tap on these three dots and now you can see the options add to profile. Just tap on it and now this photo will go into your timeline again. So this is how you can easily unhide posts from Facebook timelines. So guys, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content.